So here is another theorem about the Mobius function, that for each positive integer, say n greater than or equals to 1, summation d divides n mu of t, that is equals to 1 when n is equals to 1 and 0 when n is greater than 1. Now here we have these two conditions where d runs through the positive divisors of n. So here d is basically the positive divisors of n, and we have to prove this result, that this condition is equals to 1 when n equals to 1 and 0 when n is greater than 1. So the proof of this theorem is, we are going to prove it. Here we have some things, that when small f and f are some arithmetic function, then we can write it as fn, that is equals to d summation d divides n f of t, and here f is multiplicative and also capital F is also multiplicative. We discussed this result earlier. So here I am letting n, that is of form p1 k1 p2 k2 up to so on pr kr, and capital F of n is basically equals to summation d divides n, like this. This is the condition here. So I am taking this number and I am going to check whether it is equals to 0 or not. So here in this result, if this is multiplicative function, then this is also multiplication function. F is multiplicative here, so that means I can write it as fn f, I am putting this value of n here, p1 k1 p2 k2 up to so on pr kr. Now further is, I write it as f of p1 k1 f of p2 k2 up to so on f of pr kr. Now here is, I am going to find this value first, so to prove this result, that this condition is equals to 0 or not. So f of, I am taking the journal here, pi ki, that is equals to, according to this result, that I can write it as summation d divides here n is pi ki, and that is Mobius of d, mu of d. Now here d is the divisor of, you can say, pi ki, so that means d is like 1 pi pi2 up to so on pi ki, like this. Divisors are like this. So that means I can write this term in the form of the divisors, like this become mu of 1 mu of plus mu of p1 plus mu of p1 square, like this. So in the next step I am writing or that summation, that is mu of 1 plus mu of p1 pi plus mu of pi square plus up to so on mu of pi ki. So now applying the definition of Mobius function, that mu of 1 is always equals to 1 plus, and mu of pi, this is some prime number, this is equals to -1 plus, this is pi power square, so this is according to definition, that is 0, and all terms greater than power 2 are all become 0. So these all terms become 0. So that means this whole equation is equals to 0. So this is the condition here, that all f of pi ki is equals to 0 when n is greater than 0. So this is the case here. We prove this result that f of n is basically equals to 0 when n is greater than 0. Now for the next step, we have to prove it for n equals to 1. So for n equals to 1, you can say in the equation 1, I can write it as, for n equals to 1, here we have k1, k2 up to so on. All the krs are 0, because when I have 1, we have pi power 1, pi power 1 up to so on, pr power. If all the powers are, you can say n is basically p1, k1, p2, k2 up to so on, pr, kr. So here when n is 1 possible only if when these powers are 0, like this. So 1 into 1 up to so on 1, so that means n equals to 1. So when n equals to 1, we have all these powers equals to 0. So, and from this result that fn is summation d divides, now here the value of the general formula is like this, and for n equals to 1 we have d divides 1, and that is summation of d. So here the only possible divisors of 1 is only 1 itself. So that means this result is only equals to mu of 1, and mu of 1 is 1, and this result is also equals to 1. So this is the proof of this result, that for each positive integer n greater than 1, this condition summation of d divides n, mu of d is 1 when n equals to 1. That means this result is equals to 1 when we have n equals to 1, and this result is equals to 0 when n is greater than 1. So this is the proof of this result here.